This Carpenter Realtors property video is presented by Jill Turner. Less than bedroom greater than in Bill Foxworthy. Sensational. 4-bedroom 3.5 bath west/full bsmt, opt. Master on main, rebuilt kit west/solid maple cabinetry, Jenn-Air pools, 48 inches side-by-side flush fridge, downdraft gas stove, whole house filtration, RO drinking water, HVAC replaced 2016. Pool house 2016-22'X22, own HVAC, 1 bay is 4th garage and amp, other is half bath and amp, wet bar. Cedar pergola west/gas fire pit, horizontal privacy fence around pool west/professional landscaping. An absolutely stunning home. For more information, review the details below or contact Jill Turner. Less than bedroom greater than in Bill Foxworthy at 317-446-7171.